think I'm going to be making jollof rice. I guess okay, on Sunday I'll make stew. Okay, out of that stew, I'll bring out some parts for jollof rice. Okay, so I will keep other ones in the freezer for the kids to use during the week. Okay, so that is it. So I said, let me carry you guys along. There is something I discovered happening on my channel now. My videos are not doing well immediately I post to my video. Like if I post to my video, it is going to take like a day before YT will start carrying my videos. Huh. Or some hours like 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 hours, 18 hours before they will start carrying my videos to different, showing my videos to different people. So all the same, I'm not giving up. I'll keep on pushing. Okay, yeah, so that is what I want to say. Hey guys, so right now we want to go to supermarkets and pharmacy to get things. Okay, so we want to go there and get some drugs and the some things we need at home. Okay, I said let me carry you guys along, so I'm going with my two kids. Yes.
You wake up in the morning and find your life is torn apart. There is sadness on your face, there is pain in your heart. But no matter what the enemy does, just remember this: no one can hide from the God of justice. He sees everything, sees everything, and God knows everything. All the pain that you're feeling, God knows. All the tears you've been crying, God knows. Everything you're passing through, His love will carry you. He will not abandon you. God knows. God knows. And God knows everything. He knows everything.
Not eating. Oh my, ah, I'm still a baby. Oh. Hey guys. Oh, sorry. Don't mind that dance. All work, how do they say it? All work without play make me makes me a dull baby. So I say, let me play small. So I just finished preparing the jollof rice. Okay, so I've taken my bed. You see, I made up because I filmed my mukbang video today, and I made up. So I was thinking that immediately the video that I'm going to make this video, but as a mother, after making the mukbang video, even in the process of making the mukbang video, my children started. So I have no choice than to end the video. Even the video, I didn't even end it very well. So I had to end the video to attend to them. So after attending to them, another work. So but now I say, okay, no problem. This vlog, I'm going to continue it. Oh. So I say, let me just let you people know that I am done cooking. Yeah, I've taken my bath. So I don't know the next thing, or anyhow, anything that comes up, I'm gonna add it in this vlog. Okay. So my son and his daddy are sleeping inside. Okay, inside my husband's room. My daughter is also sleeping in their own room, and my girl, she went to her clothes school uniform tour, so she went to give it to a tailor that can adjust it, amend it for her. So at least I said, let me just use this opportunity that the kids are sleeping to make this part of video. You get, no time is a waste as a content creator, because I know that very soon now my son or my daughter will wake up, and once they wake up, another work. Yes, so stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna talk to you. Guys, honestly, it's not up to 2 minutes that I finished talking to you guys, and she was like, hey, 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 as if she heard me talking. See, Mama, I just told them that very soon you wake up and see, you are here looking at mommy. See, you are here looking at mommy. Oh, yeah, say hi. Say hi. Subscribe to my mommy's channel. Turn on the notification bell. Life of a mother is not easy. Oh. We don't have time for ourselves at all. Just that we'll be pushing, because anyhow, we must attend to them and also attend to ourselves. Not only them alone, no. It is, Mama, you're not showing. So, Jesus Christ, Mary. So, three of us say I want to close this vlog. So, what do you have to tell my viewers?
Close this video.
You want to tell them, let's close this video. Tell them to subscribe to your mommy's channel. Turn on the notification bell. And God bless you all that have been supporting my mommy. That is nice. Clap for yourself. Bye. Chisel, what do you have to say? What are you eating? Are you eating fruit? What do you have to say? Povu. Talk now so that they can hear you. Are you saying baby? So guys, this is me and my kids officially ending this vlog. Thank you guys if you have watched up to this level. Thanks so much. God bless you for your support. Okay, we're gonna see you in our next vlog. Bye bye for now. I say bye bye. Bye. You not give them fruit to eat. Daddy. Mama, you not give them to eat. Hey.